These are the Fibonacci numbers. Now what happens in Fibonacci numbers? The two values are fixed. That is 0 and 1 are fixed. Right? And we add these two values 0 and 1. What is the addition of 0 and 1? It is 1. Thereafter you have to just add the last two digits. What is the addition of 1 and 1? 2. Write it below 1. Right? Now add the last two digits. What is the addition of 1 and 2? It's 3. Write it over here. Again add the last two digits. What is the sum of 2 plus 3? It's 5. Write it over here. Again add the last two digits. What is the sum of 3 plus 5? 8. Write it over here. What is the sum of last two digits? 5 and 8. It's 13. So, what are Fibonacci numbers? The values 0 and 1 are already there. After that you have to just add the last two digits. Okay, always. So what is the logic I'll use in this program? I will make use of two variables x and y. I'll initialize x to 0, y to 1. Then I'll use the formula z is equal to x plus y because I want the sum of 0 and 1, right? So z has become the sum of 0 and 1, that is 1. After that I have to only add y and z. I don't require x anymore, right? So I need the sum of y plus z no onwards. But I've already used the formula x plus y. So what I'll do, I'll assign the value of y to x, I'll assign the value of z to y, and I'll use the same formula x plus y. But because the value of y is assigned to x and the value of z is assigned to y, when I write x plus y, it will actually add y plus z only. Got it? So let's see how this program is working. In this program, we'll ask the user up to what limit you want the Fibonacci numbers. Suppose if I enter 3, so you'll get 0, 1, 1, 2 and 3 up to here. If I enter 5, so up to 5 I get the Fibonacci numbers. So limit is the limit up to what you want the Fibonacci numbers, right? Suppose I enter the value 5. 5 is assigned to the variable n. Is n a negative value? User might enter a negative value. In that case, you'll get the message on the screen, number cannot be negative. And suppose the user enters 0, right? User might want the Fibonacci number up to 0. So if the n is 0, you print x. X is 0, right? And the program will be terminated. Let us assume that the user has entered the limit as 5. Is 5 less than 0? No. Is 5 equal to 0? No. Is 5 greater than 1? Yes. So print x and y. So you get this 0 and 1, which are initial fixed values of Fibonacci numbers, right? So you are displaying them 0 and 1. Z is equal to x plus y. X plus y, that is 0 plus 1 is 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 5? Yes. It is displayed. Value of y is assigned to x, that is 1 is assigned to x. The value of z is assigned to y, that is 1 is assigned to y. Z is equal to x plus y. 1 plus 1 is 2. Is 2 less than or equal to n? N is 5. Is 2 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Print z, that is 2 is displayed. After that, the value of y, which is 1, which is assigned to x. The value of z, which is 2, it is assigned to y. Z is equal to 1 plus 2, that is 3. Control will go up. Is 3 less than or equal to 5? Yes. Display z, that is 3 is displayed, right? The value of y is assigned to x, that is 2 is assigned to x. The value of z is 3, that is assigned to y. 2 plus 3 is 5. Control will go up. Is 5 less than or equal to 5? Yeah. Display 5, it is displayed. The value of y, that is 3, which is assigned to x. The value of z is 5, which is assigned to y. X plus y is 8. Control will go up. Is 8 less than or equal to 5? No. So control will come out. Okay. So let us run this program. I'll copy it. I'll paste it in the spider ID and I'll run it. It is asking me the limit. Suppose I enter say 5. You get the Fibonacci number up till 5. Suppose I run it again. Asking me the limit. Suppose I enter 100. See the addition of last two digits. Can you see it? This is the output you will get it. Okay.